Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a quick and easy keto taco boat recipe. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start off with a hot pan and this Chosen Foods avocado oil. I get this from Costco. I'm going to add about a couple of tablespoons. Then I'm going to add about a pound of ground turkey, prepared taco seasoning. You can find a low carb taco seasoning on the internet or buy the already prepared stuff from the grocery store. And I have this masher thing. I'm going to ground this up and I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've cooked the ground turkey through. Since this turkey is so lean, I added more avocado oil. I prefer to control what type of oils that I use, so this works out better. It seems a little dry if you don't add some oil to it. And I added a little more seasonings, and now we're going to prepare our taco boats. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's my ground turkey. I seasoned it pretty heavily. I let it cool down some, and here are my toppings. I have sour cream, salsa, tomatoes, cheese, and guacamole. Everything is fairly low carb. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble my taco boats. Hey guys, I'm back. My camera died. I don't know what part it died on, but here are the prepared taco boats. And I'll just make another one on camera since I have another piece of romaine. I'm using the whole romaine leaf. It already shapes itself to be able to hold your toppings. So I'm going to add my ground turkey to my lettuce leaf generously. And the ground turkey is going to hold all of the toppings, making this a keto-friendly taco boat. Lettuce wrap taco, whatever you want to call it. So we have some tomatoes. I'm going to add tomatoes to this. A little bit of shredded cheese, or a lot, your choice. I don't want to overdo it. I'm going to add some salsa. Just putting this together pretty quickly, because again, I don't know how much you guys saw on the last clip. And a dollop of sour cream, along with a dollop of guacamole. And that's it. Keto friendly, healthy fats, good proteins, extremely low carbs. And this is our keto taco boat. Thanks for watching. Bye.